Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Klienmond on the south coast of Cape Town area, right at the tip of Africa. And now look what I found, a beautiful sea walk along a very safe and nicely paved with wooden laths or planks so that you can walk along the entire route. It's at least 1 kilometer long. And it takes us up there straight ahead to the Palmeet river mouth, a historic site also for shipwrecks, by the way, and one wouldn't think so looking at the sea now. It looks so placid and docile. But right there below us now, we're looking ahead to those rocks. Right there is a grave site where 3 seamen, or a number of seamen, were washed ashore. Some made it, very few. Yeah, a Norwegian wooden sailing ship ran aground here on the 28th of June 1902, and this was a fateful trip bringing a whole lot of timber for South African railways from Fremantle in Australia to Cape Town. And just down there below us there on the right is Palmeet Caravan Park in Klienmond. I tell you what, there is no caravan park like that. I just find it the most exquisite setting. You go to sleep to the sound of the sea or the river flowing past. You can swim in the warm water of the lagoon or the cold water of the Atlantic Ocean. It is just an amazing sight. Right over there ahead of us is the Kugelberg mountain range, part of the Cape Fold Mountains. The hikes along there are quite incomparable to anything you've ever seen. It is amazing. Below us, the typical Cape coastal protea and fynbos vegetation, completely indigenous and unique to the Cape west coast of South Africa. The people of Claymont, all very friendly and very hospitable, according to good old South African custom. Just further down the road, you have a look at this. Look at the name of this house. Come up closer there and look at the name they put on that wall there. Any time, yeah. I left Claymont on the R44 just to continue for about 20 minutes onto the Harold Porter National Botanical Gardens. Have a look at this. They are so well kept. It is another exquisite sight. There's a lovely amphitheater there in the gardens, and in the summertime they have live concerts. Up ahead in the crack there in the valley, at the top you'll see a waterfall. In the wintertime the water gushes down there from the top all the way down the stream here. It's called Leopard's Kloof Waterfall. Also a site known for its daisies, a very rare South African plant that grows on the mountain there. Doesn't this geography remind one of Scotland, eh? This area is very vulnerable to wildfire, and with the southeaster blowing and a couple of flames, it's just a ruin within hours. But it has been well managed and maintained, and evidently still a lot of trees, which in Scotland, not so much. You'll notice the color of the river down there is sort of a golden brown. Not to worry, it's not pollution, it's just tannins that are leached out of the ground and out of the floral vegetation into the water. But there's more. Up on the left, there's another canyon going up towards another waterfall. Worth taking a look up there. More geysers, more proteas. And down below you there, you can see a lovely, well-maintained footpath taking you up to Leopard's Kloof waterfall. The roads from here to Cape Town, the R44, very safe, very easy driving, uncrowded, fantastic scenery. You'll enjoy the ride. Come along and have a look.